Welcome back, peeps. We're going to talk about chicken first aid kits. There's a few things you should have on hand because inevitably you're going to discover you have a sick or injured bird on an evening or weekend when you don't have access to any supplies. On a weekend or when your vets are closed. I'm going to be talking pretty fast, so feel free to rewind as we go and take notes. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So if you have an injured bird, wash out any debris with saline solution, hit it up with some hydrogen peroxide, and then you can spray on some of this Vetricin Plus, great for healing wounds. While you're doing all this, make sure you're wearing disposable gloves so you're not introducing anything into the wound. Also, you're going to want to use this when you're dealing with sick birds so you're not spreading anything between birds. For that injury, you want to maybe use a gauze pad possibly, and some self-adhering elastic bandage. You want to make sure they stick to itself and not to the feathers, so don't get something that sticks to feathers. You know, I can't talk. Can't talk when you're here. Because I can't, it's weird. With that, you may have to have some scissors to cut that bandage. Another thing you might need is hemorrhoid cream, believe it or not. Prolapse vent in a chicken, similar to hemorrhoids on a human. So an egg-bound chicken, you can treat with some Epsom salt. Epsom salt in water, let them soak warm water. A pasty butt. You can use Epsom salt and Dawn in the water. The bird that has a broken beak or a cracked beak, use some super glue. Longer nails, which happens in older birds, I just use some dog nail clippers. If you cut them too short, or if a bird catches one of their nails on something and rips it off, cornstarch to stop the bleeding. Whenever I have chicks, I use polyvisol solution. It's a vitamin, baby vitamin. It comes in the baby aisle. I don't use it with iron. Use the non-iron form. I put it in all my chick water, and I use it in the water for my sick or injured birds as well. To administer medication or give a bird vitamins directly, you can get some of these little droppers at your local pharmacy. Medicines I keep on hand is Corid for coccidosis infection, Vetrex, which is great. It's the chicken version of Vicks Vapor Rub. Also can be used if a bird has eye worms or if they have scaly leg mites. Petroleum jelly, great for colder areas. You want to slather up those combs to keep them from getting frostbite, also good for scaly leg mites. I want to have measuring spoons for dosing up any of that medication. Trying to get me to pick you up. Come here. Look who just came by to visit. Huh, you want to sit with me? Okay, hold on. Let's talk about this, okay? No. Other things I have on hand, that's not necessarily my first aid kit. Every other month I disinfect using a water and vinegar solution. Then the opposite month, I will do water and a bleach solution. That's it. That's all I have on hand. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you next time. Thank you.